everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if it's your very first time here, welcome on in. I'm back on a very gloomy day in LA with an exciting unboxing. The lovely team over at Liene asked if I wanted to try out their Pixcut S1 all-in-one machine, and of course I said yes. I think anything that further fuels creativity is just a win in my book, and especially because I journal a lot. I also have my own small business. I felt like I could put this machine to good use. So in this video, that's exactly what we're going to be doing. We're going to be unboxing it, and then I'm also going to be talking through with you some of my thoughts because I have used this a few times already, and first impressions off the bat, it's amazing. How easy it is to use, the quality is just crazy. So I'm very excited to dive deeper into this machine with you guys and yeah, maybe convince you to get one of your own. So while I finish ripping the tape off and unboxing this machine, I thought I'd give you a few key pointers about the Pixcut S1. This machine uses thermal technology to print any images or stickers, ephemera that you could possibly want to use this for. It also prints said images at 300 dpi, so very high resolution and amazing color payout, which is definitely something I noticed off the bat. And also the stickers are completely waterproof. So if you're looking to add some stickers to your water bottle or your laptop, I don't know why you would get water near your laptop, but you know what I mean. If you're looking to essentially decorate anything around you, you basically don't have to worry about the designs rubbing off or them getting damaged by water, which is fantastic. So the first way I wanted to test out this machine was by sending through one of my sticker sheet designs. This is my Pride and Prejudice sticker sheet, which is currently available in my shop. The link to my small business is always in the description. But the first thing that I noticed off the bat is how true to color the colors were. Usually whenever I need to print my stickers, I have to go through this whole color correcting process with my printer. But literally, I did not have to adjust a single thing when it comes to my color for this, which is just crazy. I was blown away with how accurate the colors turned out. After finishing the first test, I decided to send the same sticker sheet through again, but this time use the cut feature. I did have to make a few adjustments to the placement of my designs just to ensure that the cut lines were working properly and that there was no overlapping, because when I first tried it out, I noticed that the cut lines weren't exactly how I wanted, so I just took some time to adjust all of the designs in order to account for the cut lines that the Liene software automatically creates, by the way. This is such a user-friendly experience. You don't have to own a small business or be some sort of professional to use this machine. You could literally just be a crafty person who loves to scrapbook and make personalized gifts for people. If you are a little bit stumped on what to gift the artistic person in your life for the holidays, I would definitely look into getting them one of these machines. So to upload my designs and do all of the fun formatting shenanigans, I am actually using the companion app. This is the Liene photo app, which of course you can download from the App Store as soon as you receive your machine. So essentially this app is the main hub for creating your own projects, but also using designs created by other people. So let's say you aren't a super artsy person, you don't know how to draw, that's totally fine. You could use designs created by other people, including mine, for your creative projects. So yeah, there's an entire section just filled with hundreds of designs that people have uploaded that are free to use. Alrighty, now that I've taken the time to reorganize my designs for the cutting section of this project, we are now going to be moving on to just that. So when you receive your machine, it actually comes with two sizes of sticker sheets, one that is 4x7 and one that is 4x6, but we are going to be using the 4x7 for the print and cut feature. Like I mentioned earlier, the really cool part about this feature is that I don't have to reload the sticker sheet in the machine to cut after it prints. It literally just pops out the cutting on the opposite side of the machine. And when I tell you that my jaw was literally on the floor, I was in disbelief watching this machine cut out my design. It not only was so quiet and so incredibly fast, but the cut lines were accurate, which if you own a small business or if you have the usual sticker cutting machines, you know how tedious making cut lines and going through the whole calibration process is. Like, it could just be such a nightmare, and I did not have to adjust a single thing with the Liene Pixcut S1. So after 2 very successful tests, I decided to try out one more thing. So I recently released my 2026 calendar cards, which are currently available in my shop in case you're interested. But I thought it would be a lot of fun to design a sticker to go on top of the packaging for the calendar cards. So I popped into Canva real quick and just formatted my usual circle sticker design, and then used one of my favorite illustrations from the calendar cards as the main focal point for the sticker. I added the name of the product above the illustration, and then underneath it, I added the name of my shop, of course. And after doing some color adjustments, I then brought the design into the Liene photo app design space, just to format everything to be ready to print and cut. I did have to spend some time wiggling the circles around and spacing them appropriately to make sure there was enough room for the cut lines. This was also the moment I realized that I could customize the background of the sheet to match the exact color of the circle stickers that I created. I didn't want there to be a white outline around the circles, so I literally just used the eyedropper tool, selected the color of my circle stickers, and the background matched perfectly. So essentially this created a bleed around the design, so that way I wouldn't have to worry about any sort of white outline, which again is just wild how easy it was to create that. I think I can confidently say that this machine is now my #1 choice when it comes to specifically creating any sort of branding or packaging details for my small business, or if I just want to add some of my ephemera designs or stickers to my journals. This just makes it super quick and super easy to do so. I think regardless if you are a beginner or a professional in the creative field, this machine will do wonders for you. Whether you want to work on your own personal project or make something for somebody else, this is just honestly such a game changer between the color quality, the waterproofness of the sticker material, how quiet it is, how efficient the cut lines are. It is literally just 10 out of 10 in my opinion. However, if I could just say one thing that I hope that maybe they add in the future is just more of a variety with their sticker sheet materials. Right now they only have the glossy, which I don't mind for certain projects, but I prefer a matte look when it comes to some of my stickers and products, so hopefully they consider adding more of a variety in the future. But nonetheless, for now, I am so excited to continue using the Liene machine for all of my crafting needs. So again, a huge thank you to them for sponsoring this video and sending me this amazing device. They currently have a sale going on for the end of the year, so if you're interested, the link to that is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!